Welcome to our presentation. We propose interacting attention graph, a new method for reconstructing two interacting hands from single RGB image. In the past few years, we have witnessed great success on monocular single hand pose and shape recovery, which is usually achieved by regressing parameters of statistical hand model or estimating vertices coordinates by graph convolution neural network. However, two-hand reconstruction is more challenging and remains unsolved. Monocular tracking and fitting statistical model of two hands has been studied for years and demonstrated promising results. However, the energy demand and algorithm complexity restrict the ubiquitous application of tracking-based methods, and may fail under severe occlusion case. Recently, a new two-hands dataset named IntagHand 2.6M has been released. It contains large-scale high-resolution multi-view single and interacting hand sequences and provide both skeleton and mesh annotations. A two-hands pose estimation baseline network is also proposed. With this dataset, learning-based single-image two-hand reconstruction methods have emerged. Existing two-hands pose estimation or reconstruction methods either employ 2.5D heat maps to estimate hand joint positions or use them as attention maps to regress hand parameters. However, as hands are naturally 3D surfaces, sparse local image features encoded in the heat maps may not effectively capture hand surface occlusions and hands interaction context. In contrast, it is natural to build dense correspondence between images and meshes on hand surfaces vertices. Directly estimating vertices coordinates by using graph convolutional neural network has been proved effective in single-hand reconstruction. But it has not been demonstrated in two-hand reconstruction. Hence, we propose IntagHand, the first two-hand reconstruction method using graph convolutional neural network. The main contribution of our network is adding two attention-based module to the GCN pipeline called PIFA and CHA. Pyramid Image Feature Attention Module, or PIFA for short, distill local occlusion information with global image patch attention, producing better alignment between the hand vertices and the image features. Cross-Hand Attention Module, or CHA for short, is a symmetric module to implicitly formulate the correlation between two hands. Please refer to our paper for more technical details. Here is the overview of our network. Given a single RGB image, we first feed it through an image encoder and yields a global feature and several feature maps. Then we use two image decoders to obtain feature maps along with other auxiliary predictions, such as 2D pose, segmentation, dense mapping encoding etc. After that, we combine image features of the same resolution from image encoder and decoders and get a sequence of pyramid image features. Finally, we feed the global feature and the pyramid image features into our interacting attention graph decoder. The graph decoder is mainly formed by three IntagHand block linked by three graph upsample layer. Each IntagHand block has three modules, GCN, PIFA and CHA. Next we show several experiment results of our method. Here we demonstrate the qualitative results of our method on IntagHand 2.6M test dataset. Our method works well under various kinds of interactions. We compare our IntagHand model with previous state-of-the-art method. Our method produces more realistic finger interactions and more accuracy relative depth between left and right hands. To demonstrate the function of our attention modules, we visualize the attention maps of PIFA and CHA in pseudo-color. We observe that our PIFA module could distinguish between left and right hands on image pixels, and we note that PIFA pays more attention to the area of close interaction. We also found CHA pays more attention to the closely interacting area, especially the fingertips. Please refer to our paper for more technical details. We also apply ablation study on these two modules. It is shown that PIFA helps to align vertices and image features, and CHA helps to address mutual occlusions. To fully demonstrate the performance of our IntagHand model, we build an online real-time two-hand reconstruction system. Our online system runs at 20 FPS on single NVIDIA RTX 3090 GPU. Thanks for your attention. Please visit our project page for more detail.